Hey, this is Suzy with Wicked Skatewear. I'm here to show you how to install the new Chicks and Bulls slide blocks onto your skates. In your kit, you're gonna get a power dyeing tool, you're gonna get the slide blocks themselves, you're gonna get these brackets, nuts, bolts, and washers. So, setting the slide block like this, you will take the bracket and set it on top of there. There are holes that you'll see can line up. The imprinted part with the size, that goes facing upward. Then you're gonna take 2 washers and set them over the holes. And then you're gonna drop in the bolts. And then you're gonna flip it over where the bolts are sticking out. You're gonna drop down 2 more washers and the nuts. And I'm gonna try and get them on there by hand. Okay, and these nuts are a 1/2 inch. They're the same size as your axle nuts, the ones that hold your wheels on. So you probably already have a tool like this or any 1/2 inch socket that you can use to tighten these nuts down. You can also use an adjustable wrench if you do not have a 1/2 inch. So I put the power dyeing tool in the top of the head of the bolt and this 1/2 inch socket on the bottom and tighten them down. Can I catch it? Okay, now those are on there really tight. Everything's super secure. So you'll see there's a little hole in this one and there's just a cutout on that. The cutout's gonna stick towards the back of your plate. I've already disassembled these. I took the trucks and all the cushions off of them. If you need help figuring out how to do that, let us know. We could do another video. So the whole part is gonna go towards the front and the cutout to the back, like this. Then you'll put your trucks and cushions back on. The only difference from your initial setup to this one is you're gonna ditch the bottom retainer cup. You won't need it because this bar will replace it. So you'll just take the cushion and put it right down over this. And then after the cushions, everybody see what I'm doing? I'm kind of making a mess of these. Let me push this cushion down. If you haven't replaced your cushions in a while, this is the perfect time to do it because you're already going to disassemble your trucks. If you've never replaced your cushions, it's time to replace your cushions. So it goes cushion, truck, cushion, and then you will keep your top retainer cup. And then you put the nut, the kingpin nut over top of that, and you will tighten them, everything back down to where it was. Here is a fully assembled one. This is what it should look like. Let us know if you have any questions or if I forgot to mention or explain anything I was just doing in this video.